Hi, I'm Mr. Shafiq. In this video tutorial, we will run part 8 ViewState in ASP.NET. ViewState is one of the most important and useful client-side state management. Okay. It can store the page value at the time of postback from sending and receiving information from server of your page. ASP.NET pages provide the ViewState property as a built-in structure for automatically storing values between multiple requests for the same page. So now I am showing you an example of what the problem is when we do not use ViewState. The first right click on the project and then select add, then select a new item, then select web from left side panel Visual C# web. Now the form name, then click add. A project will be appeared. Now in design, click here. Now here the table for the design purpose, insert table. Now click 4 to 5 rows, 4 rows and 4 columns. Now click add. I am storing 2 text box and 2 buttons. From the left side toolbox here, 2 text box here, again text box and 2 buttons. Here right button properties, first button properties. Here text name is button. Now rename, submit, and another button. Click here. Restore. Okay. Here first text box is a username, and another is a password. Now write the code as in the following. Right button from form, then I click view code here. I am it into variable public x, sorry, string type variable x y. Now again ViewState design mode, click submit, double click, or click this events, and now click here at the double click. Okay, now write the code as in the following: x equal to text box on dot text y text box 1 and text box 2 value is assigning what text box 1 and text box 2 value is assigning on that x and y. Now after click on the button, text box will be cleared. String.empty. Empty means it will be cleared after clicking. For button on submitting the code, now again select the form and now select the ViewState, double click. For ViewState, the double click will be automatically events created for C#. Now put the store below. Sorry. Value of variable x and y is assigning one text box and text 2. Now run the application. Running the application. here name username and password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now click the submit button. Okay, text box 1 and text box 1 will be automatically cleared. Now click the restore button. Nothing will be shown from username and password. It only happens because all the controls are classes, and on the servers all the control objects are created, and then after the round trip the page is returned to the client's browser on HTML format, and the objects are destroyed at the server. After the submit is clicked, the value of username and password is submitted to the server. We cannot restore the value again because after the post back the instance of the control is destroyed, and the clicking of the restore button, the server takes a new request, and the server cannot restore value of the text box. So now I am explaining the store value in the view state, and the remaining steps are the same as the previous. So close the browser, stop the debugging. The button 1, okay, here ViewState, name and ViewState other codes are will be remain same. Or button 2, now again restore button code will be if where I will copy Control C, not equal to null text equal to dot twist. So same code will be a text box as text box. Control P, hand name password text box 2. Now again run the application. Here username, subject and password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now click the submit. Is text box 1 and text box 2 already cleared. Now again restore button. Okay, comes to the username and password. After clicking on the submit button, the value of username and password is submitted in ViewState, and the ViewState stored the value of user and password during postback. After click on the restore button, we cannot the value again. The value must be retained during postback, and the values are stored into a base 64 encoded string, and this information is then put into the ViewState hidden field. Advantage of ViewState. There are main advantages of using ViewState. Easy to implement, no server resources are required, enhanced security features like it can be encoded and compressed. The disadvantages of ViewState. The main disadvantage is using ViewState. It can be performance overhead if you are going to store larger amount of data because it is associated with the page only. It's stored in a hidden field in a hashed format. It does not have any support on mobile devices. How to enable and disable ViewState? We can enable and disable ViewState for a single control as well as page levels also. Just with the control set enable ViewState property. Control false. How to write? Text box on dot enable ViewState equal to false. To turn off with ViewState the interface, we need to set up the ViewState false. The page directory action below. When we data to storage is small, try to avoid small data. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy my video.